Hello everybody! Today we are going to do Rosé's All My Love Is Gone. Makeup in my eye shape is very much more different from hers, so this will be a huge challenge. Also, I do not have the glitters in her eye. I don't have it, so I have to kind of improvise. It might be a fail, it might be a success. Who knows? Stay tuned, guys. Yeah, if you're new here, welcome to Charissahoo YouTube channel. I do lots of K-pop dance tutorials and I love to do makeup as well. So yeah, you can see a lot of my makeup videos all on my channel. If you're new here, I would appreciate if you press the like button and subscribe for more of this kind of content. If you want to follow me on social media, it's at Charissahoo on Instagram, TikTok, and on Twitter. Let's get into it. Hello. So I realized I wasn't recording. I already have my red and I put it down there and I've taken out the gold flakes. Scrape it in for that razzle dazzle. Like a mess right now, but I guarantee you when it goes into my eye, it's gonna be great. I'll begin the very delicate operation of putting tape on your eye. I'm kind of sticking it on the back of my hand to remove the stickiness so I don't like rip off my entire eyelid. Just sticking out, I'm going to just put my eyelids like this. Put a bit of moisturizer. So this just makes the whole surface really tacky. And it's going to allow this golden flakes to stick. Added some of these reflective flakes that I received from buying some contact lenses previously, and it is adding a very nice psychedelic effect, psychedelic sparkle. Yes! Finally gonna release my eye. Look at that. Not many hours of sticking and gluing. We have this. Do you see how clean that line is? Tape really makes a difference. Holy moly! I'm using the Face Shop Coca-Cola palette. A cool toned darker shade, taking out my Tarte Amazonian clay palette. This cool tone right here, just slightly providing a little bit more dimension. You see that little bit more dimension? Yeah, we're gonna draw a very, very, very long wing. I'm just gonna draw some lower lashes with my brown eyeliner pen. I'm going to put concealer on my eyebrows because we are supposed to be blonde. Yes, so I have no experience in doing this. Put it through my eyebrows. Brows are so sparse, right? They need the tail. So I'm just going to sketch out the brow shape. That is so much better. This is the Cica Hyalon. I don't know what that means, but I like this foundation. Shade my face. So Rosé shading is quite severe. Natural cheek tone highlighter duo from Tony Moly. Just gonna highlight the nose with my finger. So using the big brush, I'm kind of using it to sweep this area. Big brush again to kind of contour it out. Yes, we have it. A very snatched nose. Okay, I have a similar like upper lip shape, thankfully. So just gonna line that. Now the bottom lip is where it gets a little bit hazy. So I have to really overlap my bottom because she has such a full bottom lip. It's so beautiful. Lip tint, red lip tint. Etude House. I love this lipstick. It's a beautiful muted red. It put this over the red tint, and you see that is the color you want. This is the final touches. I'm just blending it down. See, I really very messy because I want the bottom lid to be freaking full. Yes, so it's gonna be a bit gross here, but that's fine, that's what you want. And lastly, we're gonna use the Peri Para Ink Airy Tints. So these are... So overall, you get a very muted brownish reddish look. Yes! I need to put my wig on. I'll be right back. So what do you guys think of the finished look? I think it was pretty good effort. The wig is a mess, but I tried my best. If you like this look, please give it a thumbs up. I put a lot of effort into it, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Stay safe wherever you are. Subscribe for more makeup stuff and K-pop dance tutorials. You're gonna follow me on social media as Charissahoo on Instagram, TikTok, and on Twitter. My wig is continuously sliding back. I love you all, babe.